Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, December 13, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, December 13, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng December 13, 2023 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, December 13, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 63.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 31 million pesos for December 13, 2023 Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, December 13, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.